Thokozani, this is Nkosazana Robin. Mkhulu dabla manzi, sanbonani ninjani. Okay, I know that I have disappeared for a while. But the thing is, guys, I've been very busy and don't been big such busy, so there are some certain things that I needed to do, and then even make my videos. So I just wanted to let you know, Guti, I'm back. So we are gonna talk about Amadlozi azithwasiselako, ancestors that initiate you themselves. They don't need assistance. They don't need you to go to a gobela or someone who is spiritually gifted. So stokhuluma ngalamadlozi lawo. So okay, Amadlozi azithwasiselako, Amadlozi la, they don't need assistance. They don't even need your assistance, right? Although along the way they will require you to do some certain things, but bona bayati-initiate, they initiate you themselves, bayazenzela. So this topic will be for another day. Thokozani.